This problem has a nice Pythonic solution. The idea is as following. We can iterate on the main list item by item. Now remember the is sequence, there should be some match at some point with the is sequence, and we would like to find the earliest match here. So the idea here is to always compare with the subsequence with its first item only. Once we meet an item that is the same as it is, we just remove it from the sublist. So it's more of like a iterate on the list one by one and match against the first item in the list. Once you match it, we just remove it, and so on. So we keep going, and with every match we remove from the list. If the list is got empty by the end of the sequence, then we are done with that, and this is really a subsequence. Consider, for example, the example here. The 1 matches 1, so it's done. 2 matches 2, the 1 matches 1, so we remove it. We remove the 1. Then 2 doesn't match 4, 3 doesn't match 4, 4 matches 4. So now the list is empty, we are done. On the other side here, the 1 doesn't match the 4, 2 doesn't match 4, 3 doesn't match 4, 4 matches the 4. We are done, but the list still has an item. So the moral of the solution is, if we are matching with the first item and removing it, this way we guarantee that we are respecting the order of the list check itself. In other words, we respect that these items must be consecutive and in order in the list, which is a very nice way. Remember that Bob 0 and Bob of -1 both are very efficient, but popping from the middle of the list is a bit inefficient. That's all.